Imagine earning crypto just by walking or driving around town. No mining rigs, no tech setup. You open an app, move, and coins start stacking up. Sounds like a dream or a trap. Which one is Coin App in 2025? Quick setup. Coin App rewards you for proving your location using your phone. Walk, bike, drive, scan QR codes, play small tasks, or install an NFC beacon to boost rewards. Those points convert into coins or network tokens you can redeem for crypto, merch, or sometimes gadgets. The idea is neat. The execution is what we need to check. Here's what actually works. It's simple to use. Open the app, allow location, start moving. The gamified interface makes earning feel like a small hobby. If you like passive microtasks, it's fun. The concept is legitimate. This is not a scam that disappears overnight. The team behind it links to a real geospatial crypto network, and some redemptions do happen. Now, the parts that matter most to you, earnings are tiny for most people. Expect slow accumulation. A lot of users report months of regular use before hitting a meaningful payout. If you're imagining a second income from commuting or walking the dog, you'll likely be disappointed. Premium features and add-ons exist. You can buy subscription boosts or hardware beacons that increase mining speed. Those upsells might cost more than what you realistically get back. If you're spending money to earn a few dollars a month, run the math first. There are reliability headaches. Some users have lost progress due to account freezes or sync issues. Support can be slow or unresponsive when problems appear. A blocked account with stuck coins is not a fun surprise. Price volatility is real. Even if you redeem tokens, their market value fluctuates. What looked like a decent reward last month may be worth half after a dip. So redemption timing matters. So who should try it? If you treat CoinApp like a light hobby, a way to explore location tech, or a fun side project while you move, it's worth a shot. It's entertaining and educational. If you already plan to be on the road a lot anyway, the incremental earnings are a bonus. Who should skip it? If you want reliable income or a real return for paid hardware, avoid it. If slow support or occasional bugs will stress you out, don't use it for money you need tomorrow. Quick practical tips to get the most out of it. Keep the app active and permissions correct so your movement registers. Do the little tasks and surveys when available. Link whatever wallet or redemption method they require before you hit a payout threshold. If you test premium boosts, track your break-even point and stop if it doesn't add up. Backup screenshots of earnings and receipts in case of disputes. Final verdict in one line: CoinApp is a clever, legit concept that delivers tiny, inconsistent rewards. Fun to try, not worth counting on. What do you think? Have you mined on the go or tested one of those NFC beacons? Drop your experience in the comments. If this cleared up whether CoinApp belongs on your phone, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest, no-fluff reviews.